everybody out there in the YouTube wasteland, it's your good old pal Jess, and we are HYOH-WU! Hike your own hike with us. Today I'm joined by BLITZ and a first-time hiker, backpacker extraordinaire, Heather. This is her first time doing an overnighter into the mountains, so should be an exciting first time out. Heather!
What?
Where are you going?
I'm hiking.
You forgot, you need your backpack.
Oh.
One thing's for certain, and there's one thing I know. You don't mess around with the guy on a
Buffalo.
So the goal is to get down into Rainbow Lake. The trail is called Rainbow Lake Trail. However, it's more of a ridgeline scenic route to allow you to look down onto many of the lakes. Upon investigation on Google Earth, we did see what appears to be a somewhat defined trail down into Rainbow Lake. However, it looks very steep. So this could be interesting the more we get into our little adventure here. All right, so we have visual on the lake. It's a beautiful lake. And I'm gonna recon down a little bit because it's not really the fear of heights that I have, but it's steep and it's very sketch.
Ding dong.
You can't ding dong. You have to hang the bear bag to ding dong. After further investigation, we have decided that this is for us an unsafe route. This is Heather's first time out, and there's no way that I want to be responsible.
I would do it.
You just said that you wouldn't do it.
You won't. No, it's not safe.
Yeah, it's not safe. So, and even if I was by myself solo, this is one I would definitely think twice about. And for me, it's really not the fear of heights. It's just kind of how you're going to get down there. And we droned the area and looked at it, and we looked at another couple of routes to get in, and nothing really seems suitable. And we are in shorts, and we are not prepared to bushwhack, and I'm not going to put Heather through a bushwhacking torture for her first backpacking trip. I have to ask, would you hike again with me?
To be determined.